guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this makeup tutorial. It's springtime and I'm trying to get some spring makeup look for you guys. This is like a spring everyday makeup look, so it's something simple, something you guys can do it at home. If you want to go to the grocery store, if you want to go to the club, wherever you want to wear this look to, you can just go ahead and do this look. So yes guys, I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and the primer that I'm gonna use is Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. If you know me, you know I love Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. So I have oily skin. As you can see, my face is shiny as if I don't want to use that word, but my face is very shiny. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, and I also have this Neutrogena serum that I use, and guys, it's working magic for me. So this is the Neutrogena serum that I use, and this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I'm almost done with this primer, so I have to get a new primer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the serum first, and yeah, I just put a little bit of the serum. And this serum is very good for oily skin. So yeah, it says shine free, and it's a matte primer as well. So I'm just gonna massage it into my skin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the primer, and I get shiny on my T-zone area, my nose, and this part of my face, my forehead, and my chin. Those places get super oily, so I like to put a lot of primers on those places. So guys, if you know of any primer that does control oily skin, just leave it in the comment section, because I want to try other primers. I'm so stuck to this primer that I don't even know what to do. I decided to go to Sephora and see if I can find myself a primer that is very good for oily skin, but I haven't found that primer yet. So yeah, if you know of any primer that is very good for oily skin, just go ahead and leave it in the comment section. So onto my brows, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Rimmel brow pencil. I love this brow pencil. I use the dark brown, and also I use the black brown, and these two combinations does a very good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and define my brow shape using the black brown, and I'm just gonna draw my brows. So I'm gonna use the same pencil and shade in the brows. Brows, don't press too much, just slightly shade in the brows. And I'm also gonna go ahead and use the dark brown to do the front brows. And I'm just gonna go ahead and brush through my brows just to define the strokes in my brows. I want it to look as natural as possible. Guys, as you can see, I am done drawing in the brows. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use these two products. This is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm gonna use Angel Brush. So this is in the shade 40 Caramel. It looks a bit lighter than my skin tone, but it's still gonna blend in. bring the concealer down to my eye. So for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Rush color, and I'm also gonna use the Alert as my transitioning color. And to be honest with you guys, I haven't planned this look yet, so I don't know how this look is gonna come out. I don't know, but anyhow it comes out, so let's see. This is like something random that I'm doing, and yeah. So for a smoky effect, I'm gonna use the Secrets color, the Secret shade, and see how it's gonna come out. Ooh, looks good. Yeah, I like it. So I'm just gonna cut my crease, not really like cutting my crease, but because I'm gonna apply a lighter shade to my eyelid, I wanna let the color I wanna make the color pop. So in order to do that, I have to use my concealer and use it on my eyelid so that I can, you know, get the color to pop. So it's not really like cutting a crease or something. And I'm gonna use this shade from the Morphe palette just to settle the concealer. And I'm going to use the orange shade from the Cosmetic palette and just dab it on the concealer that I just did. So on the corners of my lid, I'm gonna use the Secret color, and then I'm just gonna blend it there. I want it to look sharp on those edges. For my wing liner, I'm gonna go on and use my Tartist pencil. This is an eyeliner 2-in-1. It has a pencil on the other end, and it has the water black eyeliner, however you want to call it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw or define my eyeliner. I have to keep quiet because this is the most delicate part. I hate doing my wing liners because I am not a good wing liner person. I have a very hooded eyes, so whenever I'm doing a wing liner, I have to be extremely careful. my mascara, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me mascara, and I'm just gonna brush my lashes. This is gonna remove all the dirt. So for my lashes, I'm using my own lash brand, Betty's Beauty Lashes, and I'm gonna do this off camera. I'll be right back. My foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is my go-to foundation, very inexpensive. I buy this at Walmart. It's just $5 and very inexpensive, and it's good for everyday wear. Skin tone has darkened a little bit because I am pregnant, so I don't know if this one is gonna match with my skin tone, but I'm still gonna, you know, blend it and see how it's gonna be. I think it's gonna match with my skin tone. It's not bad. It looks like this, and yeah. And I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro HD concealer. So one of my go-to concealers that I like to use a lot. I haven't been using this concealer for a while now, but to go back to it once in a while. And I got the concealer on my lashes, guys. Like, what the heck. I like to sit and let the concealer set for some time, but because I'm in a rush, I didn't really do that for this concealer. So I'm gonna set my face using my Butter Session Cup setting powder. This brand is Urban Decay Naked Skin, and it has this shade that is very good for my skin tone. So I use this one to tone down concealers whenever I do my concealer and it's too, you know, light for my skin tone. That is exactly what I do. And I'm gonna go in with my Sleek bronzer. So to dust off the powder, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder, and this is in the color 334 and it's Warm Sun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this off. I'm gonna go in with my MAC setting spray, and I'm gonna spray this all over my lower lashes. I'm using my Mary Kay pencil, and this is in the color White. And I'm gonna use the Alert shade for my lower lashes. And I'm gonna use my mascara for my lower lashes. Just define the lower lashes. And lips, I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel brow pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Milani lipstick, and this is in the shade 38 Stunning.